Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Pocket Option API key. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Now start by opening up pocketoption.com, as you won't be able to do it on phone. And by the way, Pocket Option right here doesn't give us a way to get an API key, but there's an option, okay? We'll have to get the SSID. Okay, now to do that, just right click on a blank space right here under Pocket Option. Now click on Inspect. Okay, if you can't see Inspect, try to use Google Chrome or the Brave browser. Now once you're in here, go to these tabs and click on Application. Click on it, and then once done, go to the left panel and click on Cookies. Okay, this one. Click on it. Now click on pocketoption.com. Now in this list, if you can't find SSID, as you can see here, I don't have it as well. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on a button in here. Maybe move to trading profile so that it refreshes the specific website. And also make sure that if you're using a ad blocker, it should be turned off as well. Okay. As you won't be able to find your SSID right here if it's enabled. So scroll down and find SSID. There you go. We have two. Just basically click on one and then copy the SSID from here and send it or paste it to wherever it's needed. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.